how to fit a Spade bit into an Erbauer impact driver. Now, here I have a Spade bit and it already has a hex cutout, so it's super simple. We just pull the collar back here, you see that collar come forward, then slip our Spade bit right to the back, release the collar. Now there is movement, but that's nice and secure and won't remove. We can then use our Spade bit with our Erbauer impact driver. Now, what happens if your Spade bit doesn't actually have the hex cutout? Well, what you're going to need is a bit holder like this with the hex cutout. Pull it forward into your bit holder, then you can get your Spade bit, and if it doesn't have the hex, we can simply enter it into our bit holder. See, even this one fits. It's not as secure as it already has the hex cutout. If yours doesn't have the hex cutout, it'll be much more secure, and then you'll be able to use the Erbauer impact driver with a Spade bit. So if you don't have the hex cutout, you need a bit holder with a hex cutout, or Spade bit with an actual hex cutout. So hopefully that gives you a few different options how to use a Spade bit with an Erbauer impact driver. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.